Namaste, friends. Welcome to Babunee's Nepali class. Today, we are going to meet some animals and learn their names in Nepali. Are you ready? Let's go and have fun. Look, here's a friendly dog. In Nepali, we say Kukur. Let's say it together. Kukur. Well done. Dogs are our best friends. Now, let's meet a big, strong cow. In Nepali, we say Gaai. Can you say Gaai with me? Gaai. Cows help us in so many ways. Look at this cute rabbit. In Nepali, we say Kharayo. Let's say it together. Kharayo. Isn't it cute? Here's a bird. In Nepali, we say Chara. Let's say Chara together. Chara. Birds make the world beautiful with their songs. Wow, we met so many animals today. Kukur, dog, Gaai, cow, Kharayo, rabbit, and Chara, bird. You did great learning these words. Thank you for joining me today to learn Nepali animal names. Keep practicing, and I'll see you again soon for more fun lessons. Namaste.